Alright, to get started, I've finished editing my timeline and I only want to export my outro at the end. To export part of your timeline, start by going down to the Deliver tab. Alright, let's assume all your basic export settings are fine, and go over to your timeline where you'll see this render dropdown. Change that to in outrange. Now, near the top of your timeline, you'll see this gray bar with circular handles on both sides. Simply drag this first handle to the start of the part you want to export. This will set an endpoint. Then drag the second handle to the end of the part you want to export. But I'll just put mine back at the end since I want my whole outro. And that's really it. Now you can just export it as usual by clicking the Add to Render Queue button and then select Render All. Then I can right-click my rendered video and select Go to File Location to find it. And when I play this back, I can see that it only exported my outro like I wanted it to. So that's it for this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and see you guys next time.